Alrighty, today we have an interesting tutorial about custom vision. Custom vision, as the icon itself looks like somewhat computer vision, so the functionality is quite a lot similar if you have already done the previous hands-on. So custom vision is a kind of again AI or cloud-based service which is provided by Microsoft, which enables the users to build, deploy, and refine custom image classification and object detection models. So what I mean custom image classification means that we can upload our own images, train it, and let the custom vision identify what that image is. So that is the power of custom vision, where we can even upload our own images from our computer and let the computer tell what it is. So that's what it goes with the theory. And also some of the important features of custom vision is that custom vision helps in image classifications and also object detection, like the bounding boxes what we have seen previously. So let's dive into the Azure portal. I'm in the Azure portal now. So custom vision is a part of Azure AI service. So if I type here Azure AI services, so it has currently, if you see, it's somewhat related to AI, Azure AI Foundry. It is a new icon and new thing. So let's click here Azure Foundry. If I open Azure Foundry, if you see here Azure AI services, it opens up. So somewhat the portal is getting updated, right? So if you are trying this later, it might not be AI service, it can be AI Foundry as well. So please keep a note of it. So here we have custom vision. If you look the icon as well, it somewhat looks like computer vision, right? So hence the functionality. Custom, as the name suggests, it's we can customize, we can add our own images. So let's get started with here. I'll click on create. Let's select create. In the create options, I'll create for both prediction and training. This looks good. Subscription and resource group, where we want the custom vision to reside, the resource group. We'll select it. If I go down, let's give a name for our instance. So let's select the region and the name. For us, it looks good. Then training pricing tier, let's select S0, and here again we need prediction resource, right? If you look here we have prediction and training, right? Since we have selected both, we need to define the pricing tier for both. Selected standard for both. Let's click on review and create. Let's hit the final create button to spin custom vision. In this tutorial, we'll be seeing everything in the portal. We won't be using it Visual Studio, but in the portal itself, we will train and upload images. Let's wait till the deployment gets completed. Alright, our deployment got succeeded. Let's go to the resource now. Let's confirm this. We can see two things: Cloud Guru with custom vision and prediction, and these are got created. So now let's first thing, we need to create a classifier and sample project. So how do we do it? We need to navigate to a link which is nothing but customvision.ai. Let's open a new tab, paste the link and hit enter. So it somewhat opens up. Here again we need to provide our Azure credentials to sign in. If you can see here, this looks upload images. The entire process is even given here. Upload images, train and evaluate. The percentage you can see. So that's what we are going to do in a nutshell here today. This is a visual view of it. Let's click on sign in. Let's I agree and select I agree. So first things first, it's also mentioned in the arrow, create your first project. So in order to get started with the custom vision, we need to click on new project. Let's enter the name and description. This looks good. Description is not mandatory. We'll leave it as it is. Resource is definitely our resource, Cloud Guru Amit custom vision, which we have created previously. Then I will scroll down project type will be definitely classification, because we will be doing classification. We'll be uploading couple of pics of different things, different tools especially, and we'll be doing classification things. So here we need to select multi-class, and if we go down we will select retail compact. Let's scroll down a bit, and here we have basic platforms. So that's what we need. Basic platforms looks good to us. So let's go ahead by clicking create project. So here we are at this page where we need to add images. It says you don't have any images, right? And here it shows the progress also, how much we are done. So it's 25%. So I have the images on my computer. If I open this folder, Cloud Guru with Custom Vision, we have test images and training images. For now we are training Custom Vision, so training images looks good. So if I open it, we have some drills, then screwdrivers. I have many images related to it. So we'll train our Custom Vision related to these tools one by one. So how do we do it? We will go to the portal, and here click on add images. Now we'll open the training images and add all the folders one by one. We'll be adding tags to identify images. So the please note the process, because it's similar to all the other 4 as well. So first let's open for the drills. I'll hit Ctrl A on my keyboard to select all the files. Ctrl A to select all. I'll click on open, and here it says 16 images will be added. We need to give a name tag, how you want Custom Vision to identify these things, right? There are GIF files as well. See, it's also taking. So this is definitely images of drill, different types of drill machine. So I can write anything like drill. I'll hit upload files. Process is fairly simple. Just upload images from computer, give tag name, and hit the upload button. It will upload. Let's wait till this gets uploaded. And here we go with the summary. Whatever images got successfully loaded, it will give success and failure message. So we are good, because 15 images is way too good. We are fine. And if you see on the left hand side, we got drill and it has got 15 images. Number is also given. Similarly, I'll again click on add images. Now let's hit or upload images for hammers. I'll open this folder, hit Ctrl A to select all files. Click on open, and here please remember to give the correct tags, because this is the important step here. And let's write hammer, because these are the pictures of hammers. So 30 images will be added. It's also mentioned 30. Let's upload. Let's wait for a while. All right, we are done uploading 30 images of hammers. Now on the left hand side we'll get drill and hammers, both the combination. If you look, see. Now let's go ahead by again add images for different tool. Now this time let's upload hard hats, which is the third in the sequence. I'll select Ctrl A, open, and let's give the name as hard hat or hard cap, something like that. Let's hit upload. All right, we are good. Uploaded 23 images of the different types of hard caps used in the factories. Now let's again add image. This time let's click on pliers. We can see pictures of pliers. I'll hit Ctrl A, open. Let's give the name as plier. I'll upload 50 images of pliers now. Let's wait for a while. All right, we are done uploading 50 pliers pictures. Now let's add the final tool to end up the training images. Let's hit add image. Now we'll add screwdrivers, which is the last in this. I'll hit Ctrl A, hit open, and here let's write screwdrivers. Looks good. Hit upload for 51 screwdriver images. We are good. So please make sure to note these steps, because we have repeated these steps for Custom Vision, which is essential because we are required to train images in this step. Let's wait for the last time to train image. Next we'll be proceeding with actual training the images. All right, this looks good. We are done uploading 51 images of hammers. Now there we got catalog of images containing different things. All the five tags we can see here on the left hand side, right? Untagged, we haven't added anything like without tags, since we have done everything with tags. So we can find everything by selecting here on the tag page. So now since we are done uploading our images, we are 75% done. If you look now, let's hit the train button here. We'll go for quick training. It will estimated time is 1 hour, but it takes around 5 minutes. So let's click hit the train. So it says iteration 1 training. It will take few minutes to get the training. It depends upon the size of your images and the number of images as well. So since ours is around 200 MB file, so it should take a quite not much time, somewhat medium time, right? So let's wait for a while till this gets completed. So behind the scenes, what the custom vision is doing, it's training the algorithm on the different types of tool images like the screwdriver, pliers, the hard hat, whatever images we have uploaded, that is the data. It is training the algorithm based on that. And if you look, we are at the performance tab. We got the results as well just now, and here we go with the results. So in the performance tab, we can see some kind of chart type of thing which appears. So since the training process is now completed, so here we have received basically the machine learning evolution matrix for our model, where we get different types of information regarding the imbalance as well. If I scroll on a bit, some things you can see, the red marks kind of less image count compared to pliers and screwdrivers, right? Is 50% or something. It's too high for it, and these are some low count, so it doesn't much matter. So it shows the imbalance which some of our tools had, like hard hat, hammers and drill, had lesser images compared to pliers, screwdrivers, which is 50, which is quite a lot. So this is how it looks. Now it's time to test and publish our model. How do we do it? So we can do a quick test here as well. So let's go to the quick test, hit here, and now it will say browse local files. So we need to upload files from my computer. If I go back one step, I have test images ready. Here I have a man wearing a hat. Let's open this, how it looks. I'll show you. So this is the man wearing a hat. That is a hard cap. We have trained the model right few moments back. Let me go back and show you the training image for hard hat, hard caps. So this is what we have trained the images, how the hard hat caps looks like. So this is how it looks like. So now let's see whether the AI can do its work or not. Let's hit browse local files. Let's open test images. I'll first select this one, the man wearing a hard factory cap. So it's analyzing here. We can enter the URL as well. So now AI has detected. If you look here on the right hand side, hard hat, see 99.4% probability. It's given. Hammer, quite a lot. There isn't any sign of hammers in the picture. Pliers, drill and drills, screwdriver 0%. So AI thinks these are definitely not there in the images. The plier might be there. Hammer 0.2, again 2 less. But AI is confident that hard hat is there, which is this thing. If you look, so this looks good. Let's check for another image. Let's hit browse local files. Let's select the drill image. Hit open. Again, it's analyzing, and here we go. It has selected given the results. Drill, it's 92.4%, which is the highest. It has beautifully detected the drill. This is an image of a drill machine. Screwdriver, somewhat the front part of this thing looks like a screw. So AI is also thinking that something 4.3%, it might be a screwdriver as well, so quite a less. But more or less, the important thing is AI has correctly detected it is a drill machine. So that's what it goes with the tutorial. Let's quickly brush the architecture diagram. Here we go. We have created custom vision from the scratch, used Azure Portal to upload images, our own images from our My Computer, where we have uploaded images related to different kind of tools like screwdriver, pliers, hard hat, all the factory kind of things which we which we encounter in day-to-day life. And AI has detected, custom vision has detected what kind of tool is there in the image. So that's what it goes with the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this video.